Everything's changing again. All right, Bolo Buddies, we have a fee update for Mercari. Go figure. Starting in January, we're going to dig into the details. This is from the email that I got from Mercari. I'm going to read it to you right here, right now, directly from them. And we can talk about it a little bit. What do you guys think? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Again, if you're not on Mercari, I do have that referral link down below. You can get $10 to shop when you join Mercari with that, and another $20 to shop when you sell $100 worth of items. So that is an awesome referral link. It is down there for you to use. I also get money to shop when you guys complete those tasks, so I appreciate it. Yeah, let's just dig into the new seller fees, buyer fees. Everything's changing again, and I would love your feedback. And I'll kind of tell you what I think about it. So again, thanks for being here. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. All right, Bolo Buddies, we're just going to dig right in. Mercari is updating their fee structure. Not a surprise. We kind of all saw this coming, but I'm basically just going to read to you what they sent us. So you can watch this video and listen to me, or you can go read your email. But let's talk about it. What do you guys think? Put your comment down in the comment section. Are you happy about this? Do you think that you are having less sales because of the new fee structure? Do you think this is going to bring your sales back on track? So it says, Dear Mercari community, our goal has always been to deliver the value you deserve, whether you buy or sell on Mercari. We went back to the drawing board and thought about the value you deserve and have an important update to share with you. We're rolling out a new fee structure starting January 6th, 2025. So you guys get those listings updated. If you made changes for the old one and you want to update them, you need to do that before January 6th. It says this change comes after listening to your feedback and recognizing the need to make an adjustment based on the benefits you expect from Mercari. So for me, I enjoyed the old fee structure as a seller, but hated it as a buyer. So let's see if the new fee structure is going to benefit everyone. When we initially introduced our current fee structure in March, our aim was to make selling more accessible to sellers. However, while sellers got to keep 100% of their sales proceeds, sellers experienced fewer sales because items are less affordable for buyers. We realized our current fee structure underserved buyers wasn't helping sellers sell more and ultimately negatively impacted Mercari and our community by reducing overall transactions on the marketplace. The new fee structure addresses these concerns. Okay, so Mercari basically just said that overall transactions on the marketplace were reduced during the fee structure change. What I would like to know is how many new sellers did they get and how many new listings are on Mercari as a platform? Did that increase? So those listings are probably going to stay. People probably are not going to cancel their Mercari accounts. I have stayed on Mercari. It didn't change anything for me. Let me know if this changes anything for you. I know a lot of people said, I'm done with Mercari. I'm never selling on Mercari again. Are you coming back? I don't know. You guys, there's going to be highs and lows, changes all the time with any marketplace we're on. So you just kind of got to roll with the punches and decide if you're going to stay or not stay. I just kind of stayed and kept doing what I was doing. In light of the above, okay, so here's the new fee structure. In light of the above, to help ensure you get the value you deserve, we are reintroducing a selling fee and lowering the buyer fee. So they are keeping a buyer fee and lowering the seller fee. So seller pays a flat 10% selling fee. Buyers pay flat 3.6 buyer's protection fee. So there's still a buyer's fee. What do you guys think? Do you think this is going to work? Do you think it's going to help? Do you think people are still going to be frustrated? Let me know down in the comments how it works. For sellers, a flat 10% selling fee applies to the completed item price and buyer paid shipping. It says they are removing the ACH direct deposit fee for successful withdrawal transaction. Limit to 1 ACH direct deposit per day. This was a big complaint that I saw over and over and over on YouTube videos, in my Facebook group. People did not like that direct deposit fee. So it looks like they're making changes to that. It says for more information on seller protection, please see here, and you can click on that to go and check it out. For buyers, a flat 3.6% buyer protection fee applies to the completed item price and buyer paid shipping. The buyer protection fee reflects the following: a cancellation and refund policy, returns on qualifying items, which they do have rules for qualifying items, 24/7 customer support, and trusted transaction. No additional payment processing fee, it says. For more information on buyer's protection, please click here. So you can go there and check that out. The new fee structure applies to new and updated listings starting on January 6, 2025, and may take up to a week to reflect automatically across all existing listings. To support this transition later this month, you can choose to increase your listing prices in bulk so you can earn the same amount. So now you can go back and you can increase your prices in bulk to cover this change. Our commitment to the community, it says, along with this new fee structure update, here's what you can expect from us going forward. First, okay, I'm not going to continue to read all this. A lot of this is just kind of repeat. So you guys can check that out. But basically what I did is I read to you the email that Mercari sent to us, and it should be in your email and under your announcements at the top. You know how you have that little alert thing that you get. So you guys can read this, but it looks like January 6th is the start date. Let me know again down in the comments. Do you think this is going to help your Mercari sales? Are you excited about this? Did you like the free seller fees? What do you think? Let me know. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing and work hard and just adapt and adjust to the changes that they have. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're not on Mercari and this video made you want to try Mercari, down below is my referral link. Check it out. I talked about that at the beginning. Also, my channel is mostly about BOLO items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and sell for a profit. I have lots of videos where I talk about my BOLO items and BOLO items from other resellers out there. And we just share with you things that you can buy and flip for a profit on the different platforms, to include Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, all the platforms. There's Etsy. There's tons and tons of, well, not tons, but there's a lot of platforms you can sell on. I use List Perfectly to cross-post my items. I do have a referral link for that too, and videos down below that tell you about List Perfectly. Definitely check it out, because more listings, more platforms, more eyes on your items, which equals more sales. So check out those videos. If you want to try List Perfectly, if you watch those tutorials, you think it's a good fit, you can use coupon referral code BOLOBuddies, all one word, and the link below in the description to get 30% off your first month. All right, you guys, thanks again for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.